Welcome to Smart.bio. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to build your entrepreneurial mindset, starting with one of the key elements, your business plan. You'll learn how to create one, manage it, and what to do next once it's complete. First, scroll down to the entrepreneurial mindset section and click on Business Plans. To start creating your own, simply click Add your first business plan. At the top, you'll be prompted to give it a name, so go ahead and name your business. Next, we'll focus on the business description. Click Help Me Write to use our built-in AI assistant. In the main text box, either paste in your existing idea or start from scratch. If your idea is still developing, this is where our Expand Text feature comes in handy. Just like with any AI, the more details you give, the better and more accurate your results will be. So describe your idea clearly and specifically, including your niche or unique selling points if possible. Then, choose the tone of voice for your business. For example, professional or confident, depending on what suits your brand best. Once you're happy, click Expand Text, and the system will generate your business idea. When you're satisfied with the result, click Insert Text. If needed, you can always refine it further before clicking Save. Now comes the main part. You'll be offered two options: let Smart.bio help you write the business plan, or start from scratch. If you're just getting started, we recommend clicking Help Me Write My Business Plan. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate your full plan. Click Let's Go to review the results. First, you'll see the business description you created, followed by a visual overview of the 9 building blocks of the business model canvas. These include customer segments, value propositions, channels, and more. Read each section carefully and make sure it reflects your idea. You can edit any section by clicking Edit and use Help Me Write again to fine-tune it. Make sure your chosen tone fits the section. For instance, stay clear and direct when defining your value proposition. Once you're satisfied with each segment, click Insert Text, then Continue. Repeat this for all sections to build a complete and detailed business canvas. Once all segments are done, click back to access the Management section. Here, you can edit your business idea, revisit and adjust the canvas, and define your business's niche category to better identify your sector. Once you've reviewed everything, we recommend exporting the PDF version of your plan. This lets you read, share, and present it easily. Next up, building your team. Click Add Team Members. To do this, you'll need to first create an organization, a big step toward turning your idea into a real business. You'll be asked to name your organization and provide an email, yours or someone responsible for the team. Once created, your account view will switch to your organization. From here, you can now create job profiles, post vacancies, form teams, add courses, and of course, develop more business plans. We'll cover team building in more detail in another video. Now that you have your business idea, a complete plan, and your organization set up, the final step is to apply for funding, and that's what we'll cover in the next video. Until then, remember, you can create as many business plans as you like, totally free. So explore, experiment, and refine your ideas. Who knows, one of them might just be the business of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and have fun building your future with Smart.bio.